Many attribute the original one to Piedmont, where its tender texture and delicate flavor have made it one of the greatest classics among the most loved desserts in the world. You can garnish it with fruit coulis, caramel, or even turn it into a base to be enriched with other ingredients. Today we are going to discover together all the secrets to prepare panna cotta. The ingredients we need are vanilla pod, sugar, gelatin leaf, and cream. And let's start with the gelatin leaf. The gelatin, improperly known as isinglass, should be left to soak to hydrate. Bear in mind that it will start melting around 35 degrees, so once softened, which will take about 10–15 minutes, it should be used immediately. In the meantime, let's swarm the cream. And then I'll take care of the vanilla pod. I'll gently cut it, open, and then, with the back of the blade, I'll scrape all the seeds. I'll put the seeds in the cream, and also the pod. And finally, the sugar. I can turn on the stove at low heat. Let it warm until the sugar has completely dissolved. The cream is about to come to a boil, so I can turn it off and then remove the pod with the tongs. The time has come to add the gelatin, which should not be squeezed, otherwise it would fall apart, because it is basically very clever and absorbs only just the right amount of water. I'll mix it well to melt it and avoid lumps. Our panna cotta is ready, let's put it in the ramekins. I'll start filling my 150mm of ramekins. Now our panna cotta must rest in the fridge to set well, for at least 5 hours. When it's time to serve it, immerse the ramekin for a few moments in boiling water and then immediately unmold it so you can serve it on a plate. Look at the perfect consistency the panna cotta must have. Neither jelly-like nor creamy, it must melt in your mouth. And now that you know all the secrets to a wonderful panna cotta, I'm really curious to know how you will decorate it, so send us the photos and tag GialloZafferano, and also curious me. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and let me know.